Welcome to the FIMS Graduate Library Meeting Room tutorial. The FIMS Graduate Library has 3 meeting rooms available for students: 3020B, which seats 4 people, 3020D, which seats 6 people, and 3020E, which seats 8 people. There is a wall between meeting rooms D and E that can be opened for larger meetings and workshops. The meeting rooms are only available when the library is open. Additionally, each room is equipped with a whiteboard and a projector for collaborative learning. Students can book a room for up to 2 hours per day. There are 2 ways of booking a room. The first is to speak to a staff member at the FIMS Graduate Library service desk who would be happy to help book a room for you. The second is to book online. To book online, visit the FIMS Graduate Library website at lib.fims.uwo.ca and click on either Booking or Meeting Rooms from the home page. Once redirected, click on Meeting Rooms. At this point, you will be asked to log in using your FIMS username and password. Once you have done that, you will be taken to the meeting room calendar. At this page, you can switch between the 3 rooms in the upper left-hand side of the screen in order to see what is available. You are also able to skip to the next week by clicking on Go to the week after, or you can jump to a specific date by clicking on the calendar along the top of the screen. In order to begin booking a room, select the room that you want, choose the day, then click on the time that you would like your booking to start. You will be prompted to sign in again, but rather than using your personal credentials, you will need to sign in using the username FIMS and the password library. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be taken to the booking form, which must be filled out completely. Fill in your name, email address, course name, the number of students in the meeting, the name you would like to appear on the calendar, and a description of why you are booking the room. Next, select how long you would like the room for, and confirm that you have selected the correct room. When the form has been filled out, hit Save and double-check that your booking appears on the calendar. If you require the meeting room for longer than 2 hours or experience any problems with submitting your online booking, please speak to a staff member at the FIMS Graduate Library service desk or email us at fimslib@uwo.ca. Thank you for watching this video.